To the wizards, why couldn't annoy this guy by throwing him out the window? Yeah. I actually recorded the recording for this like 5 million times because I keep pressing escape when I'm tabbed out because I'm an absolute moron. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep that off because I don't want to get copyright strike and lose my entire channel. By the way, I used the thing to look at everything and now I can record super slow. Holy crap! Look at I'm on an epic. Go for said. Wow, that was thrilling. Igor, you can have this. It slows down time.
Hey.
You.
What's going on?
I'm gonna throw you.
Don't throw me!
Nothing you heard me.
Oh, Merlin's wheel!
Make Scully very bouncy. Make Scully very fast. Make Scully very tiny.
Stop it! I don't want to be small. I just want to be normal.
Where'd it go? Oh, it goes like a freaking Beyblade. How do you know? Like...
Please don't drop me.
No.
Oh.
He sounds like he's having fun. Yeet! Why isn't that broken yet?
What is... Oh, the people of Perkulov are rolling in their grave. Oh, there's no one left. Did you know that? Nobody can make a vase like that anymore. They're all dead, and you just broke it.
Oh. Well, whoops. Sorry, bro. Bring Scully to me. Bring Scully to me.
Whoosh, I'm flying.
Where is he?
But really, this is really uncomfortable.
Oh, there he is! Bring Scully to me. Make Scully normal. Make Scully normal. Found him!
I'll never be normal. What? I feel kind of weird. Oh
Yeah.
my God, Robert! Robert! Are you there? Wait, something changed. Something changed. It's worse! It's worse!
You're still alive? Wait! Oh, it's back!
Are you trying to turn me into a pirate?
Yeah!
You look at you, you got
Bullseye!
Oh, mystic mandrakes! What was in it? I keep waiting for my cat to pop out of one of these crates. I think it's in here somewhere.
Really? Didn't know you had a cat?
I haven't tasted it. Oh, my
Oh, he's got a pipe, but he's...
Wait, I can't believe it. Did you fix it? Look at me. Look at my eyes. Is it better?
What's
it's a
this?
pipe. Give it. Funny you should ask that.
It's a pipe.
I haven't tasted this in centuries.
Who gave you the pipe? Don't answer me! Wait a minute, character there. Anyway, give me a pipe. Yeah! Hit that crap! Give me teeth.
Put me back down.
Give me teeth. I wasn't actually expecting you to give me teeth. Oh my god. Yeah. Bro, that's disgusting. Wait, they're actually like really sharp for some reason.
Be careful.
Shut your mouth. What are these?
Those are the actual teeth of Nosferatu.
What?
In this reality, like Nosferatu is real.
What?
He's around here somewhere creeping around. Probably in Igor's basement right now. But don't worry, he doesn't have teeth.
What is this?
It's the same Nosferatu. cool name. It's such a cool name.
That's cool.
Igor, will you get out of here? Stay in your basement.
Hi! Edward, how you doing? Buster?
There you go, Igor.
Oh my god, that's great! I keep forgetting you could do that. You just. Yeah! One more for the road!
You conjurer clown.
Yeah, so.
Subscribe.